In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a taxi in GTA 5. So first thing you want to do is just find a taxi like this one here. So to get the taxi's attention, you simply get close to it and press E. As you can see, this will get its attention, and once you get its attention, just press F. As you can see, it says press F to get in the taxi. Now to use this taxi, you could either just use the A and D to choose between locations, and these locations are basically the icons on the map. Or if you want, you can just choose your location from the map here. So I'm just gonna go through here. Like, let's say I want to choose this location right here, and I'm gonna go back into the taxi. Let me see if I can get its attention again. And let's see here. This one doesn't seem to respond, so let's try this one and see if this one works. Okay, let's press E here. Hold on a second. Okay, so I got this taxi. I'm gonna press E. So let's see here. Get close to it, press E, and this will get. Okay, this one already has a passenger. Let's do this one. Let's get close and press E. Okay, this one should get my attention now. Let's try to get inside. Okay, so as you can see, just it already says waypoint on the screen here. So if you press enter, it will just start taking you to the waypoint. If you want to skip the trip and just teleport there faster, just press enter again, and this will basically just send you there immediately. And there you go. So if you check, it has sent me to the same location I asked for. And that's it for this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.